Welcome to our channel. In the last session, we discussed addition and subtraction algorithm by using signed magnitude representation. Now, in this session, we will move to addition and subtraction algorithm by using 2's complement. So, what is the difference? In the signed magnitude representation, one bit is reserved for the sign. Here, there is no operation is performed on the sign of the number. Only, for example, if it is an 8-bit number, only 7 bits are used to represent the magnitude and the last 2 bit is reserved for the sign. But coming to the 2's complement representation, the total 8 bits are used. That is, the operation is performed including the sign bit. Okay, how we are doing the operation? Same, the hardware implementation is whatever we discussed in the signed magnitude, exactly same. Here we are using two registers. Assume the first register is AC. I will discuss with a comparison. In the signed magnitude, we use the register name as A. Here AC, to avoid the confusion, here use the register name as AC, and the second register BR. Instead of B, I am taking BR. Now, in the signed magnitude representation, what we are doing? We have a complementer and parallel adder. For the complementer, we are adding the mode bit. So, to avoid all these confusion, simply we are taking one complementer and parallel adder. One complementer and parallel adder, the procedure. So this A is passed to here and B is also passed to here, and sum, we are getting the sum is here. Any overflow, that is placed here. Any overflow, that is placed here. Now here what you are doing? If it is a negative number, do the complement and then perform the operation. If it is a positive number, directly do the operation. The hardware implementation for any addition operation is same. Now coming to the flow charts. It is a very simple. If you remember the signed magnitude representation, it is very complicated. Why? We are doing add magnitude case, subtract magnitude case. Again in the subtraction magnitude case, you need to check the sign. But here in this case, simply if it is an addition operation, argument in register AC, or assume simply register A, addend in register BR, or take AC. Whatever the terms, whatever the names we are using, follow the names. Here what we are doing, simply EAC tends to AC plus BR. AC tends to AC plus BR. Here carry is also not at all required. We can increase the size of AC, and any overflow, that overflow is copied into V flip flop, and my operation is ended. It's a very simple operation. It is a very simple operation. Exactly, subtraction operation. My minuend in register AC, subtrahend in register BR. How do the subtraction? AC contains, the result contains AC plus BR plus 1. Simply take the 2's complement of the number and take simply overflow. My operation is ended. That means instead of checking all the necessary conditions in the signed magnitude representation, the 2's complement representation simplifies the procedure. Why? Because while doing the operation, it also includes the sign of the number also. That is the reason the entire operation is reduced. Mostly the computers prefer to use 2's complement representation. This is the concept of addition and subtraction algorithms. Thank you.